We're going to do a quick demo here of the lab, which is available in the free Romo app. To start, you simply click the lab, and then you have a menu. Up top here, you can select conditional statements. So you can choose actions, which we'll get to next, when something happens to Romo. So for instance, if you poke his eye, you could make him then do something. Or you could pick other ones like if he sees a face, if you tickle him, if he gets undocked, if he sees movement, if the lights go on, if he gets stuck, or even if he hears a loud sound. So for instance here, if we go back to where we were, you could make it so that when you poke his eye, he does a certain action. So for here, let's say he gets angry. You could also pick different emotions. You could make him fall in love, you can have him act scared, or do any of the different options here where Romo really comes to life. The main option up here is simply what Romo does when you click slide to start, which is what begins the series of actions that you've programmed. So you simply add actions here. You could have him say drive forward at a certain distance and at a certain speed. You could have him turn. So we'll have him go, for instance, a 345-degree turn, and then you can pick the diameter here, and it says it right up top, 20 centimeters at 345 degrees. You can tell him which way. And you just stack these behaviors on top of each other. So now we'll adjust his tilt, and you can do all sorts of things like have him look a different direction, have him write some text on screen, have him take a photo, have him make a video, have him backfire, and you could even do a pattern that you draw. So you could have him go in a circle or draw a triangle or whatever, and he will follow that. You could also have him sound the alarm. You can have him change his color. He can shake no or tilt yes, drive in a square, and he can even explore around autonomously. So as you stack these behaviors up, you can delete some if you want simply by sliding over and hitting X, or you can hold down and move it around to change the order. And then you can keep adding different conditionals here so that when you slide to start, he'll do all of these different reactions to the different things that you program. When kids get into this, the options are really endless, and they have a lot of fun trying different things. And all you do is stack them up, hit slide to start, and here he goes.